This is not a drill. All residents of Dogwood Brookhaven are asked to shelter in place immediately. A dangerous anomaly is in your area, and you must take that.
While not making eye contact with the outside, please lock all doors and seal all windows. Shut off all power in your home. Turn off all lights and electronic appliances. All members in your household should hide in the most central part of a building. Under no circumstances should you go outside, no matter how compelling it is. Do not try to figure out what the threat is.